IITs are the top choice for technical education in India, and today we feature Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, which is located at the heart of the Delhi. Welcome to this college review video. IIT Delhi was established in 1961 and declared an institute of national importance under the Institute of Technology Act 1963. And in 2018, IIT Delhi has also given the status of Institution of Eminence by Government of India. Only 6 institutes have such status so far, which granted almost full autonomy, leaving the institute to make its own decisions. IIT Delhi ranked second among all engineering colleges in India by National Institute Ranking Framework. IIT Delhi offers Bachelor of Technology program in various fields, as well as dual degree BTech cum MTech programs. The admission to these programs is done through JEE Advanced. IIT Delhi also offers postgraduate program awarding MTech by coursework, MS by research, MSc, MBA under various departments and centers. MTech programs is carried out mainly based on GATE. Master of Design admissions are through Common Entrance Examination for Design. MSc admissions are through GEM and MBA admissions are through CAT. The IIT Delhi campus is of 325 acres. Inside of campus resembles a city with gardens, lawns, residential complex and wide roads. The campus has its own water supply and electricity backup supply. The IIT Delhi campus is divided into 4 zones: Student Residential Zone, Faculty and Staff Residential Zone, Student Recreation Area which includes SAC, Football Stadium, Cricket Ground, Basketball Court, Lawn Tennis Court, Swimming Pool, and 4th zone is Academic Zone that includes departments, offices, lecture halls, library and workshops. Rendezvous, the annual cultural fest of IIT Delhi, which hosts 225 events, had a footfall of over 70,000 people, 13,000 participants and 200 artists from all over the world. TREST, the North India's largest science and tech fest, is held in IIT Delhi in the month of March, which promotes excellent science and tech culture among students. For more information, log on to IIT Delhi official website, link given in description below. Subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notification of all IIT review videos.